just want to say a huge thank you to all of you through the last 4 meets. Special shout out to Vang, who came out for the last 2 and helped us cook, which made the events much more exciting.
Hey man, it's been so great working with Yelo here. When Tu told me about this idea, and I heard this idea from him, that there's an incorporation of what his passion for cars, detailing, and all the things he does, and how he's doing these breakfasts, I just said, hey man, how can I help? How can I support you? How can I hop on board? And so being able to come out here, being able to put out some food for people to come gather, see some sweet cars, and for just like this little community here coming together, and all for a good cause, where they can gather some money, support some of the local kids here who are wanting to get into this business. So man, I'm just so excited to be a part of it.
Bellatrix, Witness, Lock Solutions, Tune Yoda, Gorilla Patches, Warman Muay Thai. You guys all came through as small businesses to help us and collaborated with us to help us get more funds. At the end, we raised $2,000. That's going straight to the college fund. All of you were a part of that. All those contributions in that grant were definitely you guys' part. So a huge thank you from Yelo Autosports. We are so excited to do it again next year. We'll find a new cause this time, and stay warm. Enjoy your winter. Come visit us when you get the chance. Until next year.